Hey Canada!
Hi there!
We have super exciting news for you guys. All PSKs are 10% off
Woohoo!
until September 30th.
You have a while. Go do it right now.
The week and a half.
Yes.
A week and a half more. So today we are going to talk about all of the oils in the PSK, some tips and tricks on how to use them, some of our favorite DIYs, just some practical ways to use these oils and get the benefits from them in your daily life.
But first, let's open the box. So when you order a premium starter kit, you get this beautiful box, and let's show you what's in
really
it.
pretty.
I opened it the correct way.
Kind of like an Apple it's almost like an iPhone box. It just has magnets. It's really pretty.
And this is wonderful because you can use this to display if you're at an expo or if you're teaching a class and it sits upright so you can show all the beautiful oils off. But wait, there's more!
Show them this. And this is what's on the inside of the box.
So you get a Ningxia Red packet, you get a Thieves hand purifier, get an extra oil that we're going to talk about, and some goodies so you can share. So, want to hear what to do with all these awesome oils?
So first, let's talk about one of the most versatile oils that you could ever buy, lavender essential oil. Now, really, one of my favorite ways and the most popular way to use lavender is really for its relaxing scent and for its balancing properties. It's just a great oil to diffuse before bedtime, to apply to the bottoms of your feet for that really grounding, relaxing, quieting aroma.
It's a wonderful oil to use on your children as well because it's very, soothing and relaxing.
Soothing, relaxing. It's also an NHP, so you can use it. You can use it to apply it topically, or you can inhale it, and it acts as a nervine and a calmative, which enhances relaxation. So lavender is all about calm, center, balance, just zen. Think of that.
Who doesn't need that?
Who doesn't need that? Yes.
Okay, the next oil is the oil I go through the quickest. It's peppermint, and it is one of the most highly regarded herbs. It smells delicious. I love to put a few drops in the bottom of my shower during the winter months because it can help reduce symptoms of cough or cold during those winter months. So I love to put a couple of drops in the bottom of my shower and then have a really hot, steamy shower, and you inhale all of those wonderful properties.
It's awesome.
I love peppermint. I go through it so fast.
Next is lemon. Who loves lemon? Yay! We love lemon.
Heart if you love lemon.
Heart it. It really has such an uplifting, positive aroma to it. It's just very refreshing. You can add it to your cleaning products to give it an extra citrus scent, and you can also use it to help reduce symptoms of cough and cold when you inhale it. So it's good to, you could diffuse it around the home, helps brighten up the atmosphere in your home, and it can help reduce some of those symptoms. So it's a great oil to have. It also is a great goo remover. So if you goo, glue, any type of
Stickers. My toddler puts stickers on everything.
Yes.
Everything, like my computer.
And you get like the little goo stuck on after. Rub it on the skin, and it takes that goo right off.
And it smells delicious. Okay, the next one is Copaiba. So Copaiba is actually distilled from the gum resin of the Copaiba tree, and it is harvested in Brazil, and it has high amounts of beta-caryophyllene, 55%, so it's the highest amount of any known essential oil. You can use Copaiba, you can dilute it, or you can use it topically. My favorite way to use it is to put a few drops in the palm of my hand with some carrier oil or some coconut oil and rub it on my neck or rub it on my arms after a long day. And so that's how I love to use Copaiba. Copaiba has a very subtle,
it's like really
subtle
mild
fragrance. Yeah, but it's wonderful. It's also a wonderful one to diffuse.
I love diffusing it with lavender because those two properties combined make like the perfect
Combo.
Yeah, the perfect combo. Trust me on that one.
Just do it.
Just do it. Next is Thieves. Now, Thieves is really, it can be a conversion oil for so many people, and it's the oil that I use the most of in my house because it's really, really powerful. It's a proprietary blend of 5 different Young Living essential oils. So it combines eucalyptus, cinnamon, clove, lemon, and rosemary essential oil. And it really, the blend dates back to a legend from around the 15th century where there was this band of robbers robbing graves, and they were able to really use this blend to protect themselves as they were robbing graves, and they were given a lesser sentence.
That's why it's called
when they
thieves,
divulge,
because they were thieves.
When they divulge their secrets, so it goes back a long time. And this essential oil is also infused in all of our Thieves personal care product and cleaning care product line. So Thieves essential oils in our household cleaner, the purifier, the hand soaps, the hand sprays, all of our cleaning products because of its powerful properties. So this oil can be used in aromatherapy to help reduce and relieve colds and coughs. This is my go-to oil anytime we start to feel something come on. So my little boy, just last week, we could feel that, something like a cold or a cough was coming on. So I was really religious about, applying it to the bottoms of his feet, diluting it because he's a little child. So dilute it with some V6 oil, put it on the bottoms of his feet, along his spine, and diffusing it constantly. And it is a great way to help purify the air and help your home smell fresh and clean, and you get the benefits of those essential oils.
And like Haley said, it is a great conversion oil. My husband, especially when we were first using essential oils in our home, he was a little more reluctant until he needed Thieves.
Yes.
And then it's like all of a sudden he loves them all and uses the whole bottle. So that's a wonderful one to use around those reluctant
Especially as the
spouses.
winter months are coming up, this oil, you will go through it so fast this winter. It's a great oil to have diffusing all the time.
All right, next is Panaway. Panaway contains wintergreen and clove essential oil. It also has helichrysum and peppermint. These oils are wonderful with their active components are widely used in massage and after physical activity. So in your premium starter kit, you'll get a roller fitment so that you can put this on the top and then roll the essential oil on. I love to put this on the Panaway so that you can just apply it directly topically after a long day, or if you have a nice spouse who's giving you a foot massage, put it on the bottom of your feet and then make them go to town.
It works.
Yeah.
I love using it after a workout. Next oil is RC. RC is a blend of cypress, spruce, and 3 different types of eucalyptus. And it's an oil that's very comforting when it's applied to your throat and your chest. It's also an NHP oil, and it can help reduce the symptoms of a cold and a cough. So this oil is very complementary to Thieves essential oil, but I do use them for different reasons. So when I feel like I need that extra comfort, on the throat or the chest, that's when I apply the RC in that area. You can also diffuse it. I will diffuse put a diffuser right next to my head at night when I need it. And so you get all the benefits of those eucalyptus oils. You get all the benefits of the spruce and the cypress. It's just a really good oil to use for that. Rub it on your chest. You can make a chest rub. So mix it with coconut oil. Maybe put it in a stick with some beeswax and use it as a chest rub on your chest. You can diffuse it.
That's another one that would be great for the bottom of your shower.
Yes.
In those cold
yes.
months.
That is a great idea. If the winter cold months are coming up, you need that relief, put RC all along the bottom of your shower.
And then just like steam
it's
yourself.
Like this RC infused steam. It's just good to breathe it in.
Now you're making me want that right now.
If you haven't tried RC in the shower, you need to.
Go, after this video. All right, next is purification. I love, love, love this essential oil. It's a combination of lemongrass, rosemary, melaleuca, myrtle, and citronella. It's wonderful to help deodorize unpleasant odors within the air. We just got a new kitten, and so we have now a kitten and a dog and a baby, and so we are diffusing purification like it's going out of style.
Yep.
And it's just wonderful to not be the house that smells like pets and to just deodorize the air. We also love to use it in the summer months outdoors and
apply it on your skin before you go hiking. You put it in a roller ball.
This is a wonderful one to add also to your wool dryer balls and to add to your cleaning products to just make your house smell fresh and wonderful.
Uplifting, it's bright. You really can pick out that citronella and some of those bright citrus oils in there. All right, next up is Digize. Digize is another oil that's a conversion oil. People think oils do not work, and then they apply Digize to their stomach, and they're like, Get me more of this.
I need that.
Get me more of this plant juice because it is working. I don't know what's in it, but it works. So Digize is a blend of tarragon, ginger, peppermint, and other essential oils that can help bring about calm feelings. So how to use Digize? You apply it to your stomach before or after meals, maybe like car rides, airplanes, anything like that. In aromatherapy, it can be used as a carminative and an antispasmodic for symptomatic relief of digestive discomfort. So it's quite the mouthful.
Mouthful.
Basically, all things digestion. Just think of it that way. All things digestion.
For
Apply
your
to the tummy.
Thanksgiving coming up,
Yes.
so because the sale ends on September 30th, you need to order by then so that for Thanksgiving you can just have
Yeah.
DiGize at your Thanksgiving table. And so
Yeah.
people will have like their nameplate and then like a bottle of DiGize.
Don't recommend diffusing this one. It doesn't smell the best, but
Right.
its powers totally override and mask its smell.
Yes.
Just apply it. Apply it topically, apply it to your feet.
Just rub
Just
it on
rub it
that
on
belly.
that tummy.
Yep.
Rub it on that belly.
All right, so frankincense is an amazing essential oil. It also is resin tapped from the boswellia trees, and it is known for its sweet, warm, balsamic fragrance. It has calming properties, and it's a really grounding essential oil that's been used for thousands of years in spiritual situations.
It's mentioned in the Bible.
There's a long history of frankincense. I love to use it to promote inner strength, and I love to use it in my daily pondering, my daily just like quiet time. I love to rub it on the bottom of my feet. It's also really wonderful to help promote fresher, younger looking skin. Who doesn't want that? And so I love to add a couple drops to my moisturizer and apply it on my skin topically to just have that fresher, younger look. Who doesn't want that?
And it's in tons of our Young Living beauty products for those reasons. So it is a powerful,
The scent is just
powerful oil. The king of
also,
oils.
the aroma is just so,
It's like
grounding.
grounding.
It's
Yeah.
really wonderful.
Now let's talk about your bonus oil.
Woohoo!
So this Northern Lights Black Spruce is only found in the Canadian PSKs. I mean, you can still buy it separately.
You guys are so lucky
but
because
it's
you get
not
it
in
in
the
your
US
PSK.
PSKs. It's in no other country's PSK. This oil is actually grown in Canada at Young Living's Northern Lights Black Spruce Farm up in
British Columbia.
British Columbia, way up there. So, and it's a beautiful, beautiful forest. So this is actually, I'm not just saying this, this is one of my favorite oils to diffuse. It has such a grounding, calming aroma.
And also another conversion for your spouses. Men love
Yep.
this aroma.
Oh yeah, very.
You can use it as a cologne almost. It's so wonderful.
I love diffusing this, maybe mixing it with a citrus oil and putting that into the diffuser blend together, because you get such a unique aroma and a unique feeling when you diffuse those strong tree oils. These trees have to grow in super harsh conditions. Like, it's super, you guys know how it is. It's
It's
super
cold.
cold, super windy, harsh conditions. So those trees are very resilient and very strong. So it makes for a very strong essential oil. You can use this to, you know, improve the appearance of skin, add it to your moisturizers, your beauty products. You can apply it along the back of your spine, your shoulders, diffuse it along the bottoms of your feet. There are tons of ways to use this oil, and it's a Canadian exclusive, really.
Well, and it's wonderful for the holidays coming up. It's a wonderful aroma
Yeah.
to kind of bring in that wonderful holiday smell indoors. And as it's a wonderful story for you to tell your community about, like, this is grown here in our home turf, which I think is really special. It's really special.
It is. So
So-
you guys
Order.
are getting a lot
Yes.
of good oils in this PSK for 10% off. You already get a great discount buying all of these oils in the premium starter kit. It's a huge discount, you're getting a lot for the price. Plus, you're getting 10% off. So you do not want to miss out on these PSKs, on getting all of these oils. If you've been thinking about trying out essential oils, if you're unsure, now is the time
Or if
to
you
try.
have a friend on
a
the
friend
edge,
on the
make sure you
edge.
let them know, hey,
Yes.
get a great deal right now. So enjoy. We know you will.
Yes.
Thank you for joining us.